I'm coming.
What do you want?
This is a non-sex section. If you want the go hang out with those kids from behind the school.
Go fuck yourself.
You asked for it. Say hello to what? How? Why?
Two things. One.
Huh? I'm coming for you.
Butt cheeks.
What's your problem?
You should really think about going on a
Diet! What was that?
All those croquettes are going straight to your croquass. Not that I'm complaining. I'm just more of a ass man.
I wonder if I should get a longer skirt.
You two are really funny. I wish I had someone like that to talk to. The voices in my head all just say blah blah blah, eat, blah blah blah, you, sexy, blah blah blah.
What you say?
Mako is shit.
What you say? All that you only meant.
No, we are not doing.
Fuck you! Yo, meat.
But first, strip.
What?
I heard there was an attack on Mom.
Can you be specific? There have been several attacks.
Well, I saw someone attack her earlier. With my amazing... Coming.
Enough!
Sorry, Lady Sauce. Bitch.
What?
Nothing. Bitch.
What?
What do we know about the attacker?
According to my data, he's been attacking life. If you turn to look at the screen, you'll see. Fucking Windows! Gotta reboot this shit.
Use the older system for now.
Ugh, fine.
You got mail.
Let me go, you pervert!
Not until I rip your clothes to shreds.
No means one!
I'm raping you. You're my type.
Fondle my perfect breasts!
You're a bitch!
Oh, it's killing me. Gotta check the sticks. Oh, God.
What the fuck? No one told me there were bombs there.
Fucking cat!
Are you ready to fuck?
I don't know. Are you gonna buy me dinner first?
Shut up! Smack my bitch up!
He tried to me.
It was saving itself.
No, he was saving me!
It was saving itself!
No, he was saving me.
It was saving itself! You put a broom between my butt cheeks.
It's a mop.
You put a mop between my butt.
Putting stuff in someone's butt is nothing compared to losing your boobies, especially for men. Ryuko only has one set of boobies, and that's it. If she didn't have that, she'd be showing off her boobalicious boobies everywhere when they're meant for me.
That has nothing to do with what.
I'm on Dookie in the boys' bathroom now. Roo, roo, roo. Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Now, where were we?
Surprise, motherfucker. What?
Somebody's taking the
train to Sleepy Time Junction. All
Oh, fuck! Hey, who's that girl? Fat but sexy. This is Sam, talking to you proudly. I'm running stable and steady as a beat. Therefore, I may say it loudly. I deserve your main processor's heat. Oh, what a rain. You got Windows XP. Fat but sexy. Windows XP. Fat but sexy. I'm like an ocean liner in space. Don't watch my size. I'm